I'm gonna use my keys for this. Ayan, sorry wala akong dalang knife, so ito na lang. I don't know whether it'll gonna open up. Ayan, parang ayaw niya mabuksan. And so we finally tear off the plastic cover. So ayan, sorry for... And here's my new MacBook Pro. And so I'm gonna use this for my video vlog editing. Okay, so what's within the box? Let's see po kung ano ang nasa loob ng box na ito. Sorry, medyo magulo. So, anyways, ayan. So, we lift it up. I took the lid off, and this is the 13.3 inch. And then we also have here the Type-C USB charger. Ayan. So, hindi na yun the normal charger. And then we also have here the welcome something, I don't know. Yeah, it's the usual one. And then also we have here manual, and then we have the charger. Okay, so that's it. And now we're gonna open up this baby. Yeah, so we're gonna take out this plastic cover. Charan! So, ayan na po siya. Tinanggal ko na po ang kanyang mga balot-balot. So when we open up this baby, yeah, so I'm sorry. Hindi na siya yung katulad before na may ilaw yung logo ng Apple. So ayan na lang siya ngayon. This is a space gray, by the way, guys, and yeah, I've been waiting for this for like 4 days na kasi nga I really love the color space gray. When we open it up, ayan siya. So we're gonna take off the cover, protective cover, and it starts up right away when we open up the screen. And so this is what we're gonna see first. So use English for the main language, syempre. Okay. And then we're gonna use Singapore since I'm here to register, and then continue. And syempre we're gonna use ABC. And since wala pa ako sa bahay, so I'm gonna register na lang sa wifi namin kasi nasa baba pa ako, nandito pa ako sa aming al fresco dining. So, later on, dun ko na lang siya i-connect. It comes also with the manual and as well as your 1 year limited warranty access for the accessories naman. Okay. From here, we have this charger, syempre. Ayan. This is a USB-C power adapter. And together with this, then we have the Apple service card and the Type-C cable for the charger and the starter manual kit, and together with the Apple sticker inside. So that's it. Welcome back. So I have here, I also bought this USB Type-C digital AV multi-port adapter. So kasi nga wala siyang, hindi siya yung the usual. So meron siyang, ayan, another Type-C port, then HDMI, and syempre yung USB na the usual. So ayan, so I'm gonna use now. So after I unbox this adapter, so this is how it looks like. Syempre, ayan yung mga nabanggit ko kanina. Okay, so we're gonna use it now.